Okay, so good afternoon everybody. We've got the old Cadac out again, haven't we, Mrs. T? There she is, look at her.
Hello.
Gorgeous. Yeah, just had a little snooze, haven't you? And now she's demanding something to eat.
Yeah.
So here we are, we've got the Cadac Safari Chef 2. We're going to slow cook a huge great joint of lamb. No, it's not. What is it? It's pork.
Yeah.
Sorry, where I got lamb from, I've got no idea.
Sounds nice though, lamb.
Yeah, but anyway,
Can we have
big
some instead?
joint of pork there. No, you can't have lamb, it's pork. £3.80 from Aldi, so I should imagine it's just an average cut of pork. We're going to stick it in the oven here. It's on, it's getting hot, and at the moment you can see I've got the gas sitting on there at full blast. This is now very hot, so I'm going to take the lid off and place that just down on the grass.
Can I just add something?
No, you can't.
No, don't let me.
Right, and then
It still smells a bit of burnt croissants.
that's it. Thanks very much. I'm going to lay that on top there just so it just keeps it clean, but the fat obviously is still going to be able to drip through to the drip tray down here on the bottom. And I'm just going to pop that piece of pork just on there, push it down a bit, and then stick the lid on. Like that. Lid's on nice and free. It's not catching the piece of pork. I'm going to leave that on full whack for about, I don't know, let's just say 15 minutes to get it really giving a good sizzle in there. Then we'll come back, just have a quick look at it, and I'll turn the heat down. But yeah, we'll come back in 15 minutes time and have a look at that. And well, it is Sunday, so Mrs. T, you're going to put some potatoes on, are you?
If I could be asked.
If she can be asked, there you go. But yeah, it's Sunday, so not a traditional Sunday lunch, but just a nice joint of pork, some potatoes and possibly some other veg.
I'll make a vodka and tonic then.
I want a vodka and tonic, there you go. So we'll come back to you in a few minutes and we'll just see how we're getting on. Okay, right, we've been cooking now for about 10 minutes, so I'm not going to wait for the 15 minutes. We're getting a bit smoky there, and we're just going to turn the gas down now, just a little bit down to halfway like that, and just reduce that and then come back to it in 5 minutes time. Okay, so there we are. This is after 15 minutes. As you can see, we've started to cook nicely. And I'm just going to turn the joint over. Look at that. Just going to turn that over, reposition that, turned the gas down now, so it's halfway as you saw earlier. I'm just going to pop that lid on there like that, and I'm going to leave that now for another 45 minutes, and then we'll come back to it and see what it looks like. But it does smell wonderful.
Obviously, if we had smell-o-vision, that'd be even better, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so here we are. Another 45 minutes. So this is what? That's an hour in total. So let's have a look. Oh my God, that is cooking to perfection. So don't forget, this is just on the low setting. So I'm going to take that out of there. Oh, look at that.
I just want the essence.
And just turn that over again.
Have you got crackling?
Can you see that? Good, hard crackling there. So we're going to take that, paste that on the top there. And I'm going to leave that, let's say, another 45 minutes, slow roasting in there. Pop that lid back on, and it looks as if we've got a success coming on our hands.
We needed one.
With a roast joint of pork. Come back in 45 minutes.